Welcome to American Junkyard Dog. Today, we will be removing the front passenger fender on a 2015 Toyota Corolla. First, pop the hood or bonnet, depending on your country of origin. The 10mm bolts need to be removed. The front bumper on this vehicle has already been removed from the accident. You may need to remove yours to get to this bolt. Remove the plastic tabs inside the wheel well. They make a tool for this to remove the tabs without breaking them. We are not keeping these, so care wasn't taken here. You may want to purchase new ones when replacing the fender. As you can see here, bolts are hidden behind plastic and rubber pieces. Don't forget this bolt between the door and the fender. You will need to open the door to remove this bolt. Bolts under the body of the vehicle may be rusted and corroded if you live in an area that gets heavy winter weather and salts the roads. Sometimes a bit of human finesse and a bit of elbow grease is needed to slip the fender off. Bit of a pull, and just like that, the fender is removed and ready to be installed on the next vehicle. Like if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to American Junkyard Dog for more scrapyard removals. Thank you for watching.